So we'll start the process of looking at strategic negotiations and the fundamentals of negotiation to take you from the journey of the traditional contemporary approach to negotiation to the more strategic principled approach to negotiation that will create value. So the greatest challenge to negotiating a successful agreement is not the other side, it's often ourselves. So the fundamental theories and strategies that will be outlined in this presentation is designed to help you challenge your own approach to negotiation and see how you can move from no to yes in achieving what you want from negotiations. Now, successful negotiations reach agreements that satisfy the interests of both parties. They're efficient, durable, and they strengthen relationships. Yet poorly prepared and managed negotiations often result in a failure to reach an agreement where potentially good deals exist but are missed, fragile agreements that can come undone, and where potential value is left behind on the negotiation table. And often it involves ongoing conflict that may damage relationships and add to costs. So when we start, we look at the conventional negotiation model, and this is the instinctive, automatic negotiation that everyone uses every day for every particular use. It's referred to as positional bargaining, and it's the traditional form of negotiation, also referred to as distributive bargaining. Now, negotiators who adopt this approach make extreme claims in an attempt to persuade, force, pressure, or deceive the other side into moving toward their own preferred position. It's aligned to a competitive system where negotiators assume that resources are limited or fixed and that any gains can only be achieved at the expense of the other side. Now, this approach is traditionally, when it comes to legal practice, traditionally is aligned to the adversarial approach, and it is more the traditional approach that is adopted by many lawyers. Now, accordingly, this adversarial approach to negotiation is associated with a win-lose or some zero outcomes, and it's focused more upon rights rather than interests. The approach tends to escalate your negative emotions that inhibit our more conscious and rational decision-making and joint problem-solving capability. In essence, it lowers our negotiation intelligence.